next slide. Hi guys, we're gonna make slime. We got the glue. Now we need activator and paint. Yeah. Okay. So we got our pencils to mix it. We got glitter. We got some charms. Our charms. We got paint. Yeah. And we got foam. Yeah.
But we don't have. Wait, where's the foam?
Oh wait, I know.
Like shaving cream?
We got shaving foam, so it can be more fluffy. Like cloud slime.
Okay, let's start. There's no activator.
Activator. Where is it? Activator.
What else can we use for activator?
Do you guys have activator? Borax. Activator. Sorry. Borax. Wait. Get your phones, guys, and say what to use if you have no borax. Soap and flour. Since we don't have borax, we're gonna use flour. Flour. Let's just sprinkle only a little bit.
Chachi, we
will
give you some.
And then start mixing it. Mix?
Yeah.
Wait.
What the heck?
then we put shaving cream and flour and mix it up.
So it clumps up.
Yeah.
Also get
it
all of
I
it.
would try
Don't
to-
put a bit. Put like
So much, like so much.
not too many. You put this soap too to make it more clump.
Yeah.
Chachi. See your slime?
just good to
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I put the soap on?
Oh, guys. Please don't be
Look at
cool.
hers. Look at Chachi's. You put too much shaving.
I feel like Chachi's is working.
What?
This is the slime competition.
Okay, you made
I will
five, one each.
5, yeah.
I will lose.
Yung isa mo anak, di ka pinapasilan.
Stretchability. Oops.
Anong kulay yan? Blue, no?
Blue.
Wow.
Okay.
Stretchability. Teka. Oy.
Ito, yellow.
Ang galing na ng pagkagawa nyo lahat, ha? Tsaka hindi kagaya kahapon.
Purple. Pink.
Magaganda lahat ah.
Oo nga eh, slimy talaga eh.
Ano na lang, pinaka-less messy.
Ano kulay ito? Blue yan, no?
This is blue.
Ang galing nung gumawa ng
Galing,
blue,
eh.
oh. Hindi nagkakalat.
Oh.
Ang galing nung gumawa ng blue.
Next.
Sino kaya to?
Color,
Green.
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 Oh,
Ang galing din ng green eh, oh.
green.
Parang tabla lang yung mga stock ko, ah.
Next. The purple.
Pwede bang 6 yan? Ang galing, eh,
Ante.
oh. 6 yung purple.
Yung parcel?
Next
Yellow.
is yellow.
Uy, hindi naman yellow ah. Ay, yellow.
Kasi meet yung yellow, excited siya doon sa... Excited siya na ginat siya yung yellow.
Last is
Okay.
and total it, okay? Lucky boy.
Ah!
Lucky!
Blue is? Who's the blue?
Oh, you're the blue one.
Oh, Biti!
Mitty. Purple is si Tawa.
Huh?
Pink is
Tamara.
si Chichay.
Wow!
Really?
Talaga ba?
Oh, no, I put it. It's Isla, the yellow, and the winner is... With a score of 43.
Wow!
Okay.
Everybody will have a
Yes!
Ang galing talaga ni mag-slime. Ang galing mo.
She's good! Siya talaga gumawa? Yay!
will have a prize.
Maganda eh.
Oh, wait.
Get the biggest one.
Which one, Chachi?
What do you want?
Only one.
What?
Yun lang, simple lang.
Oh, choose whatever you want.
You want that or the
I thought you
makeup?
wanted baby corn.
Makeup set, oh.
What do you want? That one, this one?
Baby corn.
Or you want that one ba?
Yay!
Yeah, Chachi!
Pag masaya yan, hindi yan nag... Shay! Happy Chachi! Okay, go. Show daddy, show daddy.